How to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling digital mood boards on Etsy. So let's get started by showing you some examples of the product that you will be selling. Then I'm going to introduce you to a spy tool that is going to confirm to you that this product is really a winning product, and also you can use it in the future to know winning products from the ones that are not winning, and also to spy on shops, see what are the products that make the most amount of money for them. Then I'm going to show you how you can create your own product using canva.com. So let's get started by typing the name of the product in the search and click on search to see some examples of the product that we will be selling. So here, let's give it a few seconds to load all of the products, all of the examples of this product here. It's still loading, and here in the front row you will see only the ones that are sponsored. So we will need to go down to see the ones that are popular now. So here you have these ones that are sponsored. As you can see, you can read it in here, add by Etsy seller. So it's sponsored by this seller. Same thing with this other one, same thing here, same thing with this one here. But the ones in this row are not sponsored. As you can see, they are either popular now or they were bought many times, which made them in the front row. So here, let's choose one in these examples. For example, let's choose this one here, digital mood board stickers, vision board, $7. So let's choose this one here. Let's open it here to see. And here there is something guys, I don't know if you know it or not, but I'm going to talk about it, which is the advantages of selling digital products. There are a lot of advantages, and some of them are there are no refunds and no returns in digital products, and also you won't have to worry about any shipping or any packaging or stocking the product, or even you won't have to pay attention to the product if it runs out of stock or not. You'll only create your product, upload it to your Etsy shop once in your lifetime, and it will always make you a passive income to your bank account. So as I said guys, no returns, no refunds. So let's go to Everbee, which is the spy tool we are going to use in order to see if this is really a winning or not. So let's type Everbee. So here, let's type the name Everbee and click on search. So here, let's sign up for free and give it a few seconds to load. Usually it takes a bit of time because this platform takes a little bit of time to load. Here it's still loading, and the tool we are going to use is the shop analyzer here in your left. That's the tool we are going to use in order to spy on the shop. So here, click on the shop analyzer and let's wait for it to load. As I said guys, it takes a bit of time to complete loading. So here, let's type the name of the shop in the search, but let's take the name first. My Little Puffy Shop. Copy the name, paste it here and click on search. Let's give it a few seconds to load. Then we will be able to see all of the insights and the data we want to see about this product, and then we will be able to decide if this product is worth our time or not. So here the product's name is digital mood board. Let's see if we are going to find it in the list of products on this shop. As you can see, they have a lot of shops. They are getting closer to a thousand products on their listings. So here, let's see if we are going to find a digital mood board, dark mode digital planner. We need a digital mood board stickers. Let's scroll down to see. Still nothing. And here we have it, digital mood board stickers. It costs $7. So that is the product we want to look for. And here it was listed 24 months ago, and the shop's age is 43 months. So 43 months ago this shop was created. And here are the total shop sales for 43 months, which are 22,000 sales, 22,000, more than 22,000 sales over 43 months. So here let's check this product here to make sure if it's really a winning or not. And here guys, even though we will not be able to see the monthly sales and the monthly revenue or the total sales, but even all that we will be able to see the reviews, and from the reviews we will be able to guess if this is a winning product or not, because half of the people that buy the product leave a review. So we will just do the math. The reviews times 2 gives us the sales of the store. So here 24 times 2 is 48. That means they made 48 sales with this one product. And here these are the reviews per month, which means 2 sales per month, which is around $14. So for $14 a month in a product, which will take you from 3 to 2 hours of time to create and list on your shop, is a very good investment. So I'm going to take you to canva.com to show you how you can create a product like that for your own Etsy shop. So here let's type canva.com and let's give it a few seconds to load. Here, let's wait for it. Let's type the name of the product, which is digital mood boards. And here guys, in Canva they will show us a lot of templates for this product, and you can just choose the template that you like, then make some adjustments to the template, add your own touch, then list it on your Etsy shop. So here let's see the examples here. As you can see, this is the example, and this is the one that it's popular now on Etsy. So let's look for something like that. This one here, for example, looks a little bit like it, and also this one here is good. So we are going to choose this one, or let's just scroll until you find the one that you find attractive to you. Then you can just add your touch, make some adjustments to it, change the colors, and then you will have your own product ready to be bought. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe